Your Nissan Rogue key fob allows for keyless entry and push-button start. Over time, the battery will need replacing. Fortunately, opening the fob is simple. First, locate the release button on the side or bottom of the fob, often marked with an indentation. Press this button to disengage the internal clip. This allows you to split the case into two halves, the front with buttons and the back with battery compartment. Use gentle force, twisting, and pulling evenly to avoid breaking the plastic hinges. With the case open, you'll have access to the battery for replacement. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Use a small tool, like a screwdriver or coin, to gently pry it out. Note the battery's orientation. The negative side is usually down, against a metal spring contact. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring correct polarity. Now, reassemble the fob by aligning the front and back cases. Snap them shut until you hear a click, ensuring all latches are securely fastened. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Nissan Rogue. A successful replacement typically resolves most key fob malfunctions. Remember to use only CR2032 batteries and avoid opening the fob near water to prevent damage.